In this video, we'll have an overview of the Lesson Activity Toolkit. The Lesson Activity Toolkit is a gallery collection of customizable tools and templates, including activities, games, and graphics that you can use to create professional-looking, interactive, and engaging lessons. Where do we find the Lesson Activity Toolkit? If we look at Toolbar 3, the second tab from the top is our Gallery tab. We click on that icon, and that will bring us to the gallery. If we click on the Lesson Activity Toolkit, you'll see that it's broken down into a number of folders: activities, examples, games, graphics, pages, and tools. Each of these folders hold the customizable tools and templates that we can use to create interactive lessons. This video is just an overview. If you look in our Lesson Activity Tools section under the software, you will see different videos breaking down the different activities, tools, pages, and graphics. The best place to get you started with the Lesson Activity Toolkit is the Examples folder. Here you will find different examples of the different types of activities, tools, pages, and layering that they have, and they show you how they've used them. So let's start by clicking on the Activities folder. There are 23 examples down the bottom. You simply click on the drop-down arrow and this brings out the examples. You can either drag in the activity or double-click on the activity to bring it into the page. If you do not have Flash on your computer, the activity will not open and you will need to go and update your Flash player. So this is our anagram example. What we need to do is click Start. It'll give us a jumbled up word. We need to drag the letters into the correct order for spelling. It even gives us clues. There are 23 different examples, so you'd need to click on them or drag them in, play with them, understand how they work, or look at our videos that explain how they do it and put them into your lesson. Why would we use these activities? Personally, I use these for assessment, formative or summative, at the beginning, in the middle, or at the end of the lesson, to get the students engaged, to see how they're progressing, and it's a fun way of doing it. As with the rest of the examples, layering, there's 8 different examples of how to layer, pages, the different pages we can use. These are more of a two-dimensional page, which we'll look at later in the Lesson Activity Toolkit videos, but these show basic formats of what the activities are. And then we have our tools. There are a number of tools that we build lessons with, build activities. We use one little tool and we use it over and over. For example, the balloon pop. The actual tool is the balloon itself, so when we click on it, it'll pop and there'll be an answer below it. But we've had to add 8 different balloons for this activity. Once again, in our videos, we will show how you can use these samples. We know where to find the Lesson Activity Toolkit. We know how to get started by looking at the examples, playing. If there's one specific activity you're looking for, or tool or page, you can go find it on the website and see how it works properly. Thank you for watching this video brought to you by the Technology Training Academy.